What's up guys, welcome to the channel. So right now we are here with the Yemen guys and we are going to actually tour Yemen culture, and my friend here will be explaining to you everything about Yemen culture. So as you can see, even right now I'm dressed as a Yemen guy, you understand? So right now we will be going inside and he will be explaining everything.
My name is Omar and welcome to Yemen tent in this festival, and we will start to get now about Yemen. Where is Yemen exactly? Is near to Saudi Arabia and Oman, and also Gulf of Aden, and also Red Sea. We have our capital is Sana'a, which is my city. This is Sana'a, and we have here Bab al Yemen, which is the gate. In old Sana'a we have Yadi, seven gates, and this is the main gate, and also Aden gate. And here we have clothes like my friend, which is we wear it. And also here this is the money of Yemen. The money of Yemen, this is 50 riyal, and this is 500 riyal, 1000 riyal, 100 riyal, 200 riyal. And also this some pictures of Yemen. This from Socotra Island. Socotra Island is one of the best islands in the world, which there are a lot of plants there. There is some trees there, not in other places, just in Socotra. And this is the style of building in Sana'a, which is in old Sana'a. And we have here Barhout wall, which is a lot of things, a lot of stories come to this wall. If we want to explain, it's a lot. This is Haraz. This is a mountain. You see also the style of building in villages. And also we have here Shihara Bridge, which is this the most famous bridge in Yemen, which is built in such a different way by hand. And here we have all the clothes, all the Yemeni clothes.
And here we have the
most handsome boy in Yemen,
meal in Yemen. And I am proud to be here today.
I'm seeing something here. I'm seeing something here like what is this one called? It's a code.
You can.
It's a code for Yemen people.
In winter and in cold time, you can wear it.
You wear this in winter and cold time.
What Omar wearing now?
Okay, that's really great. So, my friend here, can you explain for us about your dress and everything?
About my dress?
The way you dress right now?
First of all, we will start with this, which is called Ghutra or Sumata. And this
is called Ghutra.
Ghutra. This is different than this. This is called, you can't take this. This is called shal. This shal and this Ghutra is different. Yeah, they are different. And we have this dress is thawb. Which and also we have here this the most important thawb, which is
this one here is
the most important part. Yeah, jambia or asib. This is an old in the old they used to it as a weapon to the animals or anyone come to show up attack to you, but now just for show, and we have this is different than this in some places and this in other places. This is made by hand, all this made by hand. Okay, and still we have this called ma'waz.
This clothes I really like.
This ma'waz.
I really like it.
It's so comfortable. Okay, you can wear it in home. It's so comfortable and it's very nice. Also, this clothes wear it in different places and this in different places. For example, in Sana'a we wear it like this. We're like this, but the asib, the jambia is like that, not like that.
Okay.
It's it's complex between each other, between the cities. But this, for example, from Hadramaut, which is in east. This Hadramaut, in this part of Yemen, called Ma'waz, and there are a lot of colors and. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, brother, for sharing with us your culture, and I really do appreciate you so much.
You are welcome. When you want to come to here to know about Yemen a lot, we are here.
Thank you so much. This is Yemen, guys. I love them and I love everything about them. Thank you, guys.